Good morning to you all. It is a Thursday and still getting some fog here, quite foggy in the Meadville area for this morning. And we've had some fairly dense fog reporting a lot of areas, particularly in Crawford County right now. Let's see how Conneaut Lake is looking here. We had some patchy fog earlier and still there, as you can see, kind of spooky looking now. At least over the water, it's kind of drifting over land right now. But once you get above it, boy, beautiful sunshine as we start out the day there. So not a whole lot of fog elsewhere, though. Here's our tower cam looking east toward Harbor Creek and the landfill. Beautiful sunshine. No fog here so far for the day. And, things are in pretty good shape here. We have beautiful sunshine again along the bayfront and the sunny skies. Winds light out of the north right now, and that is not the warmest wind direction. Things are going to be on the chilly side again for today. So we've had up and down. So far, the forecast has been going pretty much as we figured it would. With beautiful sunshine again for today. Now, in the meantime, high pressure in control. Warm front moving across Lake Erie, and that's causing some clouds, high clouds to move in. Most of the rain is with this low pressure and not moving particularly fast. The high should give us a decent amount of sunshine for the day, and but temperatures on the cool side. Fortunately, we'll keep it dry. And if you need to get outside today, maybe the day you want to mow the lawn, okay? So those of you lawn mowers there on our AM weather chat, I want to keep that in mind. I'm planning certainly when I get home today on mowing the lawn as well. Might be a little damp, but it's not going to get any drier for tomorrow. And who wants to mow the lawn on Mother's Day weekend anyway? So the high pressure in control. And that'll lead to, again, some fairly decent weather for the day. You can see the high moves toward the east, but the low right behind it. Clouds thicken up tonight. The rain, though, should hold off until after midnight for the most part. And notice how it slows down as it hits the mountains there. So a lot of the precip, like yesterday, will form behind the low. So I think most of the rain will fall late tonight into tomorrow morning. And this one is a little colder, though, than yesterday. So the biggest difference, we do have a shot. Those of you in higher elevations, you just might see some wet flakes of snow. In May 7th. It is definitely a chilly start to the month of May here. No real warmth in sight, at least through the weekend. Now, Friday, again, the showers move out during the afternoon. Upper level wave, probably keeping most of the rain on Saturday to the west, but some could sneak in early Saturday morning. We're going to keep the thread in there. Really, the weekend, Mother's Day weekend, not real warm, but also not real wet. We're going to kind of bookmark bookend with maybe some early showers on Saturday and perhaps some late showers on Sunday. All right, who's chatting right now? Hello to you, Richard Jackson. Good morning to you. Bob and Sue out there in Jacksonville. Hello to you. Hey, Becky. Beautiful day. Never had the fog. You had the frost, though, there in French Creek. Hello, Jeanette from Newcastle. Doing well, Jeanette. Hope you're doing well as well. Hello, Karen Lips. Happy Thursday to you. Bob on the shores of the Allegheny. Bob Fath out there in Tidiute 41 out there. Hello, Bill. Yes, happy National Nurses Day. Thank you, Bill, for the reminder. We've had shout outs all this week, but, why would you not give a shout out to the nurses? It's been a tough year locally. It's been tough. Frontline workers, nurses included in that. Say thank you to a nurse today. If you know of one, whether retired or still living, if you know of a nurse, happy Nurses Day to you. Words cannot, just like our weather watchers a couple days ago, words cannot express what you do, but we do appreciate it. And I know your work is never done. We're still in the pandemic, even though we're vaccinated and certainly seeing a light at the end of the tunnel. But the quick vaccines, those who wanted it are done. Now the real hard part is trying to get those who are still on the fence. It's still your best defense. And nurses, I know you're part of that. Chatty Cathy, hello, 35 degrees, lots of frost, and you do have some fog. Donna from Ocala, good to see you this morning. And I'm locked up. Okay, there we go. Hello, Jeanette. Yeah, the grass is still wet. You're probably not going to cut it this morning. Hello, Celine. maybe in August. Very good question here. Do you think August will hit 70? Perhaps so. Right now, I'll be happy with 60. Even that's going to be a bit of a stretch over the next couple of days. Marilyn, good morning out there at Edinburgh at chilly 37. Lori out in Edinburgh also at 37 degrees. Got frost on the rooftops. Hello to you, Chris. 37, foggy out at Conneaut Lake. Yeah, as you saw. Hey, Sue. Sun is shining there in Linesville. Nice to see you for this morning. And hello, Al. Good to see you. Andy, good to see you. And, good to see everyone for today. And let's go right to, yeah, I'll be happy with 60, Celine. So why don't we go the 7-day? And when do we expect to hit 60? Well, the 7-day forecast is showing probably have to wait about a week. I'm just not seeing it until probably Wednesday. Even then, I mean, I'm kind of going on a little bit of optimism here because we just don't see this general troughiness that's going to stick with the region. Some days like tomorrow, it'll get particularly strong and we'll get a lot of rain. Other times it'll be glancing blows like, Friday night. And again, Sunday night to early Monday. So the good news is, outside of tomorrow, most of the rain should fall during the nighttime hours when we're sleeping or maybe when you're just getting up. But with storm systems, with trough, when you have these troughs, storm systems tend to go to our south. And that means we're on the northern side, which tends to be the colder side of low pressure systems. And that's why we're just not seeing anything until a big ridge can get in here. We are on the cool side, and we're just not seeing it build up like we've had with some of the past warm-ups. We're hopeful, though, that we'll see at least some sunshine here. And again, the Mother's Day weekend, again, we'll bookend a few early showers Saturday. Should be out, though, 8, 9 o'clock in the morning at the latest. I'm not bullish on rain on Mother's Day. In fact, I was tempted to take out the drops or at least take out the shower, but there's still enough there where maybe after 4 o'clock we might get some showers. Most of the day is dry, and most of Saturday dry. So we'll be chilly, but looking good if you want to celebrate with Mom and give her something nice. Early showers on Monday, and there you see sunshine for Tuesday and into Wednesday. Okay, a lot of technical snafus for today, both inside and outside the station. So I'm feeling just a little jumbled in the head right now because a lot of times it's had to do mainly with some radio feeds. Some of this, we do, as most of you know, we do news and forecasts for the radio stations, and 99% of the time it goes pretty smoothly. Today was not one of those days, but I'm happy to say all the radio stations did get their news, they did get their weather, and hopefully hopefully things will go on there. But when you're trying to fix those while doing the newscast, it does get a little hairy. So if I seem just a slight bit frazzled in the mind, that's how things go once in a while there. Let's see. Hello, Ed. Good to see you. 38 out there at the Titusville Airport. Good to see you there. Hello to you, Patty Will. You got ice on your mailbox. Yeah. Frost, certainly some of that cold stuff there. And that's the way it goes. Now, I don't see any frost for tonight. Too cloudy and probably too wet after midnight. But seeing wet flakes of snow for some of you. Chatty Cathy, you may see maybe some flakes mixing in tomorrow morning. Lori, I doubt it. I think it'll be all rain here in most of area in Crawford County. I just don't think it'll be quite cold enough, but there may be just enough lift in the eastern mountains to get some of that in there. Okay, guys, I'm going to rest the brain. I'm going to give it a shorter rest for today. Enjoy the sunshine. Get out. Get the lawn mowed. Work out in the yard. Do your outdoor activities today because tomorrow looks wet. And you want to conserve yourself what will hopefully be a good-looking weekend. even though it'll be on the cool side. Always good to talk to you all. Take care. We'll see you again on Friday.